Dive into the deep from A to Z. Name the creature, sing with me. F for angelfish, anemone, anchovy, albatross. B for blue whale, barracuda, beluga, butterfly fish. C for clownfish, cuttlefish, coral crab. D for dolphin, dugong, dragon, and shellfish. Sea creatures, from A to Z, name them all. Swim with me. E for eel, M for shrimp, eagle ray, electric ray. F for flounder, find two flying fish, fiddler crab. G for goby, grouper, great white shark, Garibaldi. H for herring, halibut, hammerhead, shark, haddock. I for isopod, irukandji, jellyfish, icefish, ichthyosaurs. J for jellyfish, John Dory, jackfish, jumbo squid. K for krill, kelpfish, killer whale, king crab. L for lobster, lionfish, lungfish, leafy sea dragon. Sea creatures, from A to Z, name them all. Swim with me. N for manta ray, moray, eel, monkfish, mullet. N for nautilus, nudie, branch, needlefish, narwhal. O for octopus, orca, oyster, otter. P for pufferfish, porpoise, python, parrotfish. Q for queen, triggerfish, quail, queen, angelfish, quillback. R for ray, remora, rockfish, razorfish. S for seahorse, shark, shrimp, starfish. T for turtle, tuna, tiger, and shark, tuskfish. U for urchin, upland, bully, unicorn, fish, uvari. V for viperfish, velvet crab, vampire, squid, funky top. W for walrus, whaler, shark, wrasse, wolf, fish. X for side, factinus, X-ray fish, cinnaphora. Y for yellowfin, tuna, yellowtail, yabby, yeti crab. Z for zebrafish, zebra shark, zooplanktons, and there so many creatures we got to meet. From A to Z, isn't that neat? Keep exploring, keep diving deep in the oceans. Our secrets will keep.